Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Kaydina's Craft Box. What craft adventure are we going on today? We're going to make a Ramadan moon phase wheel. So as you know, the moon is the symbol in Islam. The moon tells us what stage we are at in the month as well. So having that moon phase wheel will help us to understand how far we are in Ramadan and when we're getting close to different parts of the month. So the first 10 days, the second 10 days, and the last 10 days. And then what comes after Ramadan? Yes, you've guessed it, Eid al-Fitr. And the moon tells us when we're at the next stage, and Eid al-Fitr is here. So in preparation for the end of Ramadan, the moon phase will help us to identify how close we are to the end of the month. And you know what? You're going to watch it whiz by super fast because you will have your very own Ramadan moon phase wheel. Have a go at this. It's going to be very educational. There's different types of moon that you're going to see on this wheel, and you're going to learn new words as well. And don't forget, the kaleidoscope will be a great pair to go with this. Do look in the description below to create your very own Ramadan moon kaleidoscope. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, comment, share and subscribe. On 2 A3 bits of black card, measure with a ruler and mark the center with a compass, and as wide as possible make 2 equivalent circles. Mark one of the cards out into 8 equal parts. Each section will be 45 degrees. On your search engine, type in moon phase. You should get 8 moons. New moon, waxing crescent, waxing half, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, waning half, and waning crescent. Also print out a picture of the earth. Cut these out and in order place them in each section you have created within the circle. On the outer part of the circle, write out the moon phase that matches the picture. I've chosen silver pen. At 45 degrees again, create 2 lines into the center of the second circle. Accurately measure out the center of the earth and pierce it with a compass. Then pierce with a split pin from the earth through to the second circle and secure at the back. Cut the 2 lines that meet at the earth, but leave a few millimeters away from the earth. Pierce the split pin through to the first circle with the moon phase. Add an extra strip of card underneath the top circle to move the wheel around. I've got myself a carton lid. I'm going to glue this underneath with strong craft glue and secure in place. So I've got something to hold on the bottom layer while I turn the top layer. To add a galaxy look, I've gone for a vibrant pink glitter paint. And the Ramadan moon phase wheel is now complete. What do you think?